Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP over here. And in every video, I'm going to give you a refresher of where XRP is, just so you guys can get a better understanding of where XRP is in the market. Now, this analysis is subject to change along with the targets. So if you like what you see, please click the link in the description below so you guys can join the PipSniper Discord and Patreon. You get access to over 300 charts and a community. You can also ask me any questions you want, and you get your question answered. So what you have over here is a wave 1. Come down for a WXY for your wave 2. Have your third wave, and then for your bear market, we have a 335 Elliott wave flat pattern. Okay, and right now we just started our macro third wave to the upside. Okay, and we're just grinding our way up here. And if we take a look at XRP's small time frame, we can see some scenarios here. Let's go on the 3 hour, and it's bouncing really well off the 70.2% fib. When we take a fib from this capitulation move up to this high, you see that we are on the 70.2% fib. Okay, hence why we are seeing a little bit of a bounce here. Now let's take a look at the different scenarios that I have here. Okay, so this is one scenario out of two that I have, and it shows that our wave 1 already topped at 74 cent, and then we're coming down for a wave 2 before we have a very explosive wave 3 to the upside. Okay, now your wave 4 would reject at any of these fibs above and then come down for a wave 5. It's crucial for bulls to get over this region over here so we can confirm this scenario right over here. So I'm going to show you it. Okay, so there's this scenario, and this scenario suggests that we have an extension of the fifth wave, and we are within an ending diagonal. And usually you see these types of structures during the start of a parabola. You see how we perfectly came down to that 702, and getting over this region over here at 7005 and 7143 will be super bullish. Okay, and we can extend all the way up to $1.15, which would be the interim target on the macro chart that I have here. Okay, so let's take a look at the high time frame chart, and you can see that $1.10 to $1.15 region is the 702. So wouldn't surprise me if XRP reaches that. And then we mustn't forget the overhead resistance as well at 74 and 78.83. As soon as you get above 74, which is the 70.2% fib, as soon as you get over this region, people will FOMO in, and it'll be too late. So you have your lag phase, right? Then as soon as you get over this overhead resistance, it becomes your parabolic phase. And we see a bunch of altcoins blasting off already, right? If we look across the space, so we're not seeing any significant dips across the board in alts. All we're seeing is money rotating around the market. Okay, you may see one coin consolidate while another coin pumps, right? That is just money moving around the market, but all alts should rise in unison, and XRP is a very good indicator of market sentiment, and we're currently above a 236-day long. accumulation. So we were in 237 days of accumulation under this trend line. Now we're above it. Okay, so that's very significant. We're also above the 21-week SMA. So the trend has shifted. And I feel like a lot of people will be taken off guard by the coming move that is about to ensue. We also see we're above the 50-week. And let's take a look at the 30-week here. Yeah, so it's above the 30-week as well. And let's not forget the Wyckoff accumulation schematic that I have here. I think that's one of the most important analysis that I have on XRP is this Wyckoff accumulation schematic. Because, you know, I see a lot of analysts and they only have one strategy. They either only do waves or they only do levels or liquidity levels or zones, whatever it may be. I think Wyckoff accumulation is extremely important because we can map out every single move within a range. So if we take a look at this black chart that I have here, it's perfectly following this Wyckoff accumulation schematic that I have. Schematic number 2, 603 days of accumulation until phase E, and 236 days of accumulation within our backup phase. From our SOS down to our backup phase, it's over 230 days. So we are looking good here. Nothing to worry about on XRP. Just remember that any dips that you see are dips for buying. If you want analysis like this and updates throughout the day, please click the link in the description below. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.